Hello. It's your girlfriend?
I have a boyfriend already.
You have a boyfriend already?
It's at Howard Beach. I live at Howard Beach.
In Howard Beach?
Hmm? He lives across me.
Oh.
I'm gonna go bring my truck so we can draw. Okay? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay,
How you
good
doing?
for you. Okay.
She has a boyfriend.
She has a boyfriend just like me. I have a cousin. All the way to that house. Alright? The market said go. I'm having a race.
I'm not having a race, I
We're
win.
supposed to go to the house.
She's winning. She's winning.